Okay, April 29, we got a box from our buddy Ace. I know what's in there, but what the heck. Let's open it up and show you what's in there. I bet it's go-kart parts. Yeah, yes sir. Ouch, that could have hurt. Oh look, it looks like a Burrell gas tank. He did tell me he was gonna send me a picture. Said, hey, I'll send it to you. And I told him, you know, we won't know whether it fits or not until we try to fit it in. So, ooh, look at that. That's nice. Yeah, I don't know if that'll work or not, but we're gonna give it a go, Ace. Probably on Larry's car because I bought in that package of parts that I was telling you all about last night out on the deck of the pool. I did purchase a new CRG gas tank, but I've also made an executive decision that the bodywork, the new nose and modern driver fairing and stuff, and the sticker kit I bought for those, they're going to go on here. That's right. I'm just going to, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to, swap pods and everything or Nerf bars and everything. I'm not exactly sure yet. But that stuff looks cool. But I spent a lot of money on that sticker kit, and it only fits that particular bodywork. And if this is going to be my go-kart, I want the cool bodywork. That's all there is to it. We're working on the motor mount stuff. This is what I'm working on. We're just going to move it over, as you can see, just a little bit at a time, and then we'll check it. Move it, take it off, take it over to the cart and check it. Once we get these straightened out, and like I said, we're only going to remove it from the one side, so this side is going to stay fixed. This really shouldn't matter. I mean, I'll exaggerate. Say we went all the way to where my thumbnail is. It doesn't really matter. This side will still be locked in. We just have to do the same thing to the motor mount. But as you can see there, let me turn this on so the light comes on. You can see that we're taking material off, and it's going to come even with this line straight down. So that's what we're doing at RPM. We're working this motor mount up after we get all of our bearings cleaned, cassettes cleaned, brakes set up cleaned, made a list of nuts and bolts we're going to need and how long, thread pitch, whole 9 yards. So we're just getting things ready for our package to come from Italy. Godspeed, God bless. Hang in there. Ace, I'm praying for you, buddy. It'll get better. Gonna go work on that motor mount.